Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered why Ursa Minor, the little bear, seems to be vanishing from our view? This celestial phenomenon is a captivating cosmic mystery, one that has puzzled sky gazers and astronomers alike. Let's take a step back for a moment to understand this better. Constellations like Ursa Minor are groupings of stars that we, from our vantage point on Earth, perceive as patterns in the night sky. These stellar patterns have been guiding us for thousands of years, from ancient mariners navigating the seas to modern astronomers probing the depths of the universe. But here's the catch. These constellations are not static. They change over time, influenced by two main factors. The first is Earth's axial precession, a slow, wobble-like motion of our planet's axis. The second is the star's proper motion, the apparent movement of stars across the sky due to their actual motion in space. So the question remains, what exactly is causing Ursa Minor to fade away? To understand the vanishing act of Ursa Minor, we need to delve into the world of astrophysics. Now, don't be daunted by the term. In simple words, astrophysics is the branch of astronomy that deals with the physical properties of celestial bodies and the phenomena that occur in the universe. Let's talk about the stars. Stars are not static. They are born, they live, and they die. This is known as stellar evolution. And just like us, stars undergo various stages of development. The stars of Ursa Minor are currently in a stage where they are dimming, which makes them harder to see from Earth. You might be wondering what causes these stars to dim. Well, it's a process called stellar aging. As a star ages, it exhausts the hydrogen fuel in its core. The star then expands and cools, becoming a red giant. This process reduces the star's brightness, making it less visible. But why only Ursa Minor? Well, every star cluster has its own timeline. The stars in Ursa Minor are simply at that phase in their life cycle where they are dimming quicker than stars in other constellations. So in essence, the stars of Ursa Minor aren't disappearing. They are just changing, evolving, and becoming harder for us to see. Now that we've unraveled the mystery of Ursa Minor, let's recap the key points. Our journey through the cosmos has brought us to a fascinating revelation. You see, the constellations we're familiar with aren't fixed in the heavens. They change, shift, and evolve over vast stretches of time. This is due to two key phenomena: Earth's axial precession and the star's proper motion. Axial precession is the gradual shift in the orientation of Earth's rotation axis, much like the wobble of a spinning top. This process takes place over a cycle of roughly 26,000 years, subtly altering our perspective of the night sky. On the other hand, stars exhibit proper motion. They're not stationary, but travel through space, altering their relative positions over centuries. Now let's talk about Ursa Minor, our beloved little bear. The stars that form this constellation are currently in a phase of their life cycle where they're dimming. They're not vanishing, but their light is becoming less intense, making them harder to see from our vantage point here on Earth. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky and notice that Ursa Minor seems a bit faint, remember, it's not disappearing, it's just taking a step back in its cosmic dance. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we'll see that change is indeed the only constant in this vast, dynamic universe.